Time for your business news, and Kenya is in talks with Rwanda and other East African countries over importation of petroleum products in a strategic deal to utilize infrastructure in the country. Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi says already Kenya Pipeline Company has invested in a 1.3 billion shillings an additional pump at Ngema Pump Station in Nakuru County that is expected to enhance pumping of fuel to Western Kenya and other Eastern African countries.
A second fuel pumping station has officially been commissioned at Ngema Pumping Station in Nakuru County that is expected to increase fuel flow rate from 330 cubic meters per hour to 510 cubic meters per hour on the 14-inch Western Kenya pipeline. Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi says the additional capacity is part of the expansion strategy aimed at increasing fuel exports to the East African region.
This increased flow rate is going to help in evacuation of these petroleum products. Okay, as the petroleum products flow from Mombasa to Nairobi, this project has enabled the products to move or to flow concurrently at the same pace to the Western Kenya region.
Kenya has restarted talks with Rwanda about fuel imports through the country.
We'll be seeing Rwanda come on board, Burundi, DRC, South Sudan. We are now at 70%, we want to get them 100%. Uganda are now transporting 100% through our corridor. And this, we want to cement Kenya and Mombasa in that view as the gateway of East Africa.
Kenya is also keen on making Kisumu a regional petroleum hub that will service countries in the Eastern and Central African regions.
We are looking at expanded demand for the petroleum products in Western Kenya, especially in Eldoret, Nakuru, and Kisumu stations, and onwards to the Great Lakes region.
Phase 3 of the expansion will see construction of an additional pumping station at Morendat, Naivasha, and Sinendet in the next 4 years to increase capacity flowing to Western Kenya to 757 cubic meters per hour.
It will improve the operational flexibility in our depots of Kisumu, Eldoret, and Nakuru, and thereby reducing the number of trucks that goes all the way to Mombasa to get products. It's an improvement in terms of the flow of the product by over 69%.